Hey kindergarten friends, I am back with a little number bond math review. Okay, this is a review of stuff that we have already done in class. So I'm gonna just focus on composing one number. Okay, so we're gonna compose to find our one number at the top. So remember, when we're using our number bond, we have two parts. Part, that make the whole. Say it with me. Part, whole. Part, whole. Today, I'm going to review how we find our whole when we have our two parts. Okay? Now, I know we've already done this in class, but I just want to give a quick review to get your brain back in the action of number bonds. So here's the scoop. If I had my two parts, and I know my first part is 1, my second part is 2, I'm going to draw that. I'm going to draw 1, and then I'm going to draw 2. I'm going to circle them so I know we're counting them all together. And then I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. Now I know my whole is 3. So now we can say 1 plus 2 equals 3. Right? That's our number sentence. You can write that for an extra challenge if you want. Watch me do another one. This time I'm going to use bigger numbers because I think you guys are ready for harder numbers. So I'm going to do okay, I know my part is 5, my other part is 4. I need to draw it, count it, and write it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count them all together if it helps you to circle them so you know what you're counting. That's great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I know my whole is 9. Then we can say 5 plus 4 equals 9. You could also write that for a sentence for an extra challenge. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Okay, I'm going to do one more. This time, I want you to have out your number bond, and I want you to do it with me. Okay, hopefully a parent can be nearby to give you guidance if you need it. All right. In your number bond, I want you to write 2 and 4. Those are your parts. Write it now. Now, we know, say in your head, I'm trying to compose two numbers. You're trying to put them together. You're trying to compose them. So, we know that we need to compose 2 and 4. I want you to draw how many of each you have. You can circle them if that helps you know what you're counting. Now I want you to count how many you have all together and write it in your box on the top for the whole. You should have written and counted 6. If your paper does not look like mine, you can fix it now. If your paper does look like mine, you can write the number sentence. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Let's try one more together. This time I'm going to go a little bit quicker. All right. Your numbers are 3 and 5. Write them on your number bond now. Now, the first thing we need to do is draw how many of each number you have. Now we're going to count them all together. Once you have them counted, write the whole in your box on the top. I counted 8. If your paper does not look like mine, you can fix it now. If it does look like mine, you can start writing the number sentence. 3 plus 5 equals 8. All right, I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna let you try some on your own. You could have someone in your family give you the 2 numbers on the bottom, and then you can practice adding them up, composing them, and writing the number sentence at the bottom. All right, I'll be back soon with another lesson.